Today I will show you Mongoose Trace Youth, Adult Kick Scooter Folding and Non-Folding Design, Regular, Lighted, and Air-Filled Wheels, Multiple Colors Review Video. Mongoose Trace Air Scooter fits one rider ages 8 and up, with a maximum weight of 220 pounds, perfect for rad rides around the neighborhood. Wide foot deck provides balance and stability while coasting. Caliper handbrake delivers confident speed control. Adjustable height stem fits a wide range of riders. 12-inch air-filled tires provide a smooth ride on both paved and unpaved surfaces. Brake style. Front braking.
Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.